kingdom. Ans. Alaptajan. Q2. Who started the slave dynasty, Mamluk dynasty, in India? Ans. Qutbuddin Aibak. Q3. Whose slave was Qutbuddin Aibak? Ans. Muhammad Ghori. Q4. Which slave captured Ghazni after Alaptajan? Ans. Yeldus. Q5. When did Qutbuddin Aibak die? Ans. 1210. Q6. How did Qutbuddin Aibak die? Ans. While playing Chaugan Polo. Q7. Who succeeded Qutbuddin Aibak? Ans. Altikmish. Q8. What was the relation between Altikmish and Qutbuddin Aibak? Ans. Altikmish was the son-in-law of Aibak. Q9. Which Mongol ruler attacked during the reign of Altikmish? Ans. Genghis Khan. Q10. Who was Razia? Ans. Daughter of Altikmish. Q11. Which ruler introduced the policy of blood and iron? Ans. Balban. Q12. What title did Balban adopt? Ans. Zille-Ilahi, shadow of God. Q13. Which ceremonies were introduced by Balban for royal honor? Ans. Sista and Pabos. Q14. What was Diwan-e-Yard? Ans. Military department of the Delhi Sultanate. Q15. What was the administrative system under Turkish rule? Ans. Ikta system. Q16. Which empire of Iran was destroyed by the Mongols? Ans. Khwarezmi Empire. Q17. Who asked for asylum from Altikmish after Mongol attack? Ans. Jalaluddin. Q18. Which Mongol leader was dealt with by Balban using diplomacy and force? Ans. Ter Bahadur. Q19. Who was the famous general of Alauddin Khilji? Ans. Malik Kafur. Q20. For what policies was Alauddin Khilji famous? Ans. Market policy and agrarian policy. Q21. What economic reform did Alauddin Khilji introduce in markets? Ans. Fixed commodity prices. Q22. Who founded the Tughlaq dynasty? Ans. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Q23. Which Tughlaq ruler introduced token currency? Ans. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Q24. What metal coins replaced gold coins under Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Ans. Bronze coins. Q25. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq leave the capital temporarily? Ans. To escape famine and plague in Delhi. Q26. Which invasion weakened the Tughlaq dynasty? Ans. Tammuz invasion. Q27. Which Tughlaq ruler constructed a large network of canals? Ans. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Q28. Which department was created by Firuz Shah Tughlaq for slaves? Ans. Diwani Bandigan. Q29. What was the meaning of Fawazil in the Ikta system? Ans. Extra revenue paid to the state. Q30. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Ans. Harihara and Bukka. Q31. In which year was Vijayanagara Empire founded? Ans. 1336. Q32. Which dynasty ruled Vijayanagara initially? Ans. Sangama dynasty. Q33. What region was under Vijayanagara according to Krishna River division? Ans. South of Krishna River. Q34. Which kingdom was north of the Krishna River? Ans. Bahmani kingdom. Q35. Who stabilized the Bahmani kingdom? Ans. Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. Q36. In which year was the Bahmani kingdom established? Ans. 1347. Q37. Who was the greatest ruler of the Sangama dynasty? Ans. Devarai II. Q38. Which foreign traveler visited the kingdom of Devarai II? Ans. Abdul Razak. Q39. Who was the court poet of Devarai II? Ans. Dindima. Q40. Who ended the Sangama dynasty? Ans. Sluva Narasimha. Q41. Who was the most powerful ruler of Vijayanagara? Ans. Krishnadevaraya. Q42. What title was given to Krishnadevaraya? Ans. Yavanarajya Sthapanacharya. Q43. What was the name of the group of 8 scholars in Krishnadevaraya's court? Ans. Ashtadigajas. Q44. Who was the first crowned ruler of the Aravidu dynasty? Ans. Tirumala Devarai. Q45. Who helped Tirumala Devarai to gain power? Ans. Ramaraya. Q46. Who were the sons of Tirumala Devarai? Ans. Sriranga, Rama, and Venkat. Q47. Which ruler of Mysore fought against Venkat II? Ans. Raja Vodeyar. Q48. Which Bahmani ruler shifted the capital to Bidar? Ans. Ahmad Shah. I have segregated the content into questions and answers only, with sequence numbers, and each question followed by its answer on the next line, as you requested. Questions and answers Q1. Who invited Babur to invade India? Ans. Alam Khan and Daulat Khan Lodi. Q2. What was the relation of Daulat Khan with Ibrahim Lodi? Ans. He was the uncle of Ibrahim Lodi. Q3. What new military technology did Babur introduce in Indian warfare? Ans. Gunpowder along with cavalry. Q4. Which empire was established by Babur in India? Ans. Timurid Mughal Empire. Q5. Which Lodi rulers were of Afghan origin? Ans. Balul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi. Q6. Who was the military head in the Delhi Sultanate administration? Ans. Mir Bakshi. Q7. Which battle is considered more decisive than the first battle of Panipat? Ans. Battle of Khanwa. Q8. Between whom was the battle of Khanwa fought? Ans. Babur and Rana Sanga. Q9. Who wrote the autobiography called Tazu-ki-Babri? Ans. Babur. Q10. What was the original name of Sher Shah Suri? Ans. Farrukh Khan. Q11. Which currency was introduced by Sher Shah Suri? Ans. Rupiah. Q12. Which administrative system was reorganized by Sher Shah Suri? Ans. Postal system. Q13. What title did Humayun give to Sher Shah Suri? Ans. Ustadi Badshah. Q14. Between whom was the second battle of Panipat fought? Ans. Akbar and Hemu, Raja Ramchandra Vikramaditya. Q15. Who was Akbar's guardian during the second battle of Panipat? Ans. Baram Khan. Q16. What title was given to Baram Khan? Ans. Khani-Khana. Q17. Between whom was the battle of Haldighati fought? Ans. Akbar and Maharana Pratap of Mewar. Q18. Who introduced the land revenue system during Akbar's rule? Ans. Raja Todamal. Q19. What was the Mansabdari system used for? Ans. Organizing civil administration and the army. Q20. What was the system of branding horses in Mughal administration called? Ans. Dark system. Q21. Who were Barids in Mughal administration? Ans. Intelligence officers. Q22. Who were Baknanavis? Ans. News reporters. Q23. For what art was Jahangir especially famous? Ans. Painting. Q24. Which English ambassador visited the court of Jahangir? Ans. Sir Thomas Roe. Q25. Which Mughal ruler annexed Ahmednagar in 1634? Ans. Shah Jahan. Q26. Which Mughal period is known as the golden age of Mughal architecture? Ans. Reign of Shah Jahan. Q27. Which Mughal period is known as the golden age of Mughal painting? Ans. Reign of Jahangir. Q28. Between whom was the battle of Dharmat fought? Ans. Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb were Murad. Q29. In which battle did Aurangzeb defeat Dara Shikoh decisively? Ans. Battle of Samugad. Q30. Which Persian script was commonly used in the medieval period? Ans. Nastaliq script. Q31. Who wrote Padshahnama and Badshahnama? Ans. Abdul Hamid Lahori. Q32. Who was the famous court historian of Akbar? Ans. Abul Fazl. Q33. What were Ahadi soldiers in the Mughal army? Ans. Individual troopers directly recruited by the emperor. Q34. Which port city was known as Babul-e-Makkah? Ans. Surat. Q35. Where was Shivaji formally crowned as king? Ans. Raigad. Q36. What title was given to Shivaji as protector of Hindu faith? Ans. Hindu Dharma Dharmarakshak. Q37. What was the council of ministers under Shivaji called? Ans. Ashtapradhan. Q38. Who was the foreign minister in Shivaji's administration? Ans. Sumant. Q39. Who controlled the army in Shivaji's administration? Ans. Senapati. Q40. Who managed intelligence and records in Shivaji's administration? Ans. Vakya Navis. Q41. Who became Peshwa and strengthened Maratha administration under Shahu? Ans. Balaji Vishwanath. Q42. Who was the son of Sambhaji? Ans. Shahu. Q43. Where was Sambhaji executed by the Mughals? Ans. Sangameshwar. Q44. Who released Shahu from Mughal captivity? Ans. Bahadur Shah I. Q45. Which script was used for writing the Marathi language? Ans. Modi script. Q46. In which year was the third battle of Panipat fought? Ans. 1761. Q47. Between whom was the third battle of Panipat fought? Ans. Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Q48. Which treaty ended the first Anglo-Mysore War? Ans. Treaty of Madras 1769. Q49. Which treaty ended the second Anglo-Mysore War? Ans. Treaty of Mangalore. Q50. Which Mysore ruler fought against the British in the third and fourth Anglo-Mysore Wars? Ans. Tipu Sultan. Q51. Which Governor General introduced the subsidiary alliance against Tipu Sultan? Ans. Lord Wellesley. Q52. Which dynasty was restored in Mysore after Tipu Sultan's defeat? Ans. Wadeyar dynasty. Q53. Which Persian ruler invaded India and plundered Delhi in 1739? Ans. Nadir Shah. Q54. Which Afghan ruler defeated the Marathas in the third battle of Panipat? Ans. Ahmad Shah Abdali. Q55. Which Mughal emperor was recognized by Ahmad Shah Abdali after Panipat? Ans. Alamgir II. Q56. Who was the influential Mughal noble and advisor after Panipat? Ans. Ahmad ul Mulk. Q57. Who was the Rohilla leader who acted as advisor to the Mughal emperor? Ans. Najib ud Dawla. If you want, I can also, which will be much easier for last day revision. I have segregated the paragraph into questions and answers only, each with a sequence number, and question first then answer on the next line, as you requested. Questions and answers Q1. In which year did Akbar ascend the Mughal throne? Ans. 1556. Q2. In which year did the British East India Company receive its charter? Ans. 1600. Q3. Who introduced the system of revenue farming in Bengal? Ans. Murshid Quli Khan. Q4. Which Maratha family ruled Baroda? Ans. Gaikwad. Q5. Which Maratha family ruled Gwalior? Ans. Sindhya. Q6. Which European power was the last to arrive in India? Ans. French. Q7. Who discovered the sea route to India and reached Calicut in 1498? Ans. Vasco da Gama. Q8. Who was the ruler of Calicut when Vasco da Gama arrived? Ans. Zamorin. Q9. Who became the Portuguese governor in India and strengthened their power? Ans. Alfonso de Albuquerque. Q10. In which year did the Portuguese capture Goa from Bijapur? Ans. 1510. Q11. In which year was the Dutch East India Company established? Ans. 1602. Q12. Where did the Dutch establish their first factory in India? Ans. Pulicat. Q13. In which year did the English establish their first factory at Surat? Ans. 1613. Q14. Who granted the charter to the English East India Company? Ans. Queen Elizabeth I. Q15. Which Mughal emperor gave permission to the English to trade in India in 1615? Ans. Jahangir. Q16. What was the first fort established by the English in India? Ans. Fort St. George at Madras. Q17. Which French governor made Pondicherry the center of French power in India? Ans. Dupleix. Q18. What was the main cause of the Carnatic Wars? Ans. Rivalry between the British and French in Europe. Q19. Which treaty ended the first Carnatic War? Ans. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Q20. What was the main issue in the second Carnatic War? Ans. Struggle for the Nawabship of Arcot and Hyderabad. Q21. Who supported Muhammad Ali in the second Carnatic War? Ans. British. Q22. Who supported Chanda Sahib in the second Carnatic War? Ans. French. Q23. Which treaty ended the second Carnatic War? Ans. Treaty of Pondicherry. Q24. In which year did the British capture Pondicherry during the third Carnatic War? Ans. 1761. Q25. Which treaty ended the third Carnatic War? Ans. Treaty of Paris 1763. Q26. In which battle did the British defeat Siraj ud Dawla? Ans. Battle of Plassey 1757. Q27. Which traitor helped the British in the Battle of Plassey? Ans. Mir Jafar. Q28. Who replaced Mir Jafar as Nawab of Bengal? Ans. Mir Qasim. Q29. In which battle did the British defeat Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Dawla and Shah Alam II? Ans. Battle of Buxar 1764. Q30. Which treaty followed the Battle of Buxar? Ans. Treaty of Allahabad. Q31. Which treaty ended the first Anglo-Maratha War? Ans. Treaty of Salbai. Q32. Who became Peshwa after the Treaty of Salbai? Ans. Madhavrao II. Q33. Which Maratha chiefs refused to accept the Treaty of Bassein? Ans. Scindia and Bhonsle. Q34. Who was the Peshwa during the third Anglo-Maratha War? Ans. Baji Rao II. Q35. Which battle in 1849 marked the end of the Sikh power against the British? Ans. Battle of Chillianwala, Gujarat, Anglo-Sikh War context. Q36. Between whom was the Battle of Kharda fought in 1795? Ans. Nizam of Hyderabad and the Marathas under Madhavrao II. Q37. Which Mysore ruler first appointed ambassadors to foreign countries? Ans. Tipu Sultan. Q38. Where is the Gol Gumbaz located? Ans. Bijapur, Karnataka. Q39. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? Ans. Akbar. Q40. Which material was mainly used in Buland Darwaza? Ans. Red sandstone with white marble decoration. Q41. Which Nawab built Bara Imambara in Lucknow? Ans. Nawab Asaf ud Dawla. Q42. In which year was Bara Imambara constructed? Ans. 1780. Q43. What is the Rumi Darwaza of Lucknow also called? Ans. Turkish Gate. Q44. What was Ibadat Khana? Ans. A religious discussion hall established by Akbar. Q45. Who were the Patels or Patakila in villages? Ans. Village headman. Q46. What irrigation device was called a raghat? Ans. Water wheel. Q47. Who founded the Lingayat sect? Ans. Basava. Q48. Which nomadic community transported food grains during the Mughal period? Ans. Banjaras. Q49. What were the caravans of Banjaras called? Ans. Tanda. Q50. Which Bijapur ruler wrote Kitab-i-Navras? Ans. Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Q51. Who was the famous Sufi poet known as Tuti-e-Hind? Ans. Amir Khusro. Q52. Who was the spiritual guide of Amir Khusro? Ans. Nizamuddin Aulia. Q53. For what musical form is Amir Khusro considered the pioneer? Ans. Qawwali. Q54. Which philosopher developed the Advaita Vedanta philosophy? Ans. Adi Shankaracharya. Q55. Which philosopher propounded Vishishtadvaita philosophy? Ans. Ramanuja. Q56. Who popularized the Vaishnavite Bhakti movement in Bengal? Ans. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you want, I can also, which is very useful for UPSC, SSC, State PCS last day revision. Arts and culture question. What is Panchayatana style of temple architecture? Answer. A temple layout with one main shrine and 4 subsidiary shrines at the corners. Question. Which architectural style has Vimana, Mandapa and Gopuram as main parts? Answer. Dravidian style. Question. What is Vesara style of temple architecture? Answer. Combination of Nagara and Dravidian styles. Question. Where was Vesara style mainly used? Answer. Karnataka. Question. What are the subtypes of Nagara style? Answer. Orissa school, Khajuraho school, and Solanki school. Question. Where is Lingaraj temple located? Answer. Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Question. Where are Virupaksha temple and Vijaya Vithala temple located? Answer. Hampi, Karnataka. Question. Where is descent of Ganga, Arjuna's penance located? Answer. Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. Question. Where are sun temples located in India? Answer. Gaya, Aravalli, Assam, Bharuchi, Gwalior and Unnao. Question. Which temples at Hampi are UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Answer. Virupaksha Temple and Pattadakal Temples. Question. Vijaya Vithala Temple is located on the bank of which river? Answer. Tungabhadra River. Question. How many musical pillars are in the Rangamandapa of Vijaya Vithala Temple? Answer. 56 musical pillars. Question. What does Devadasi mean? Answer. A woman dedicated or married to a Hindu deity. Question. Devadasi tradition is associated with which temple? Answer. Jagannath Temple. Question. Where is Vidishankara Temple located? Answer. Sringeri, Chikmagalur, Karnataka. Question. Who established the Advaita Math at Sringeri? Answer. Adi Shankaracharya. Question. Raja Rani Temple is located in which city? Answer. Bhubaneswar. Question. To which deity is Raja Rani Temple dedicated? Answer. Shiva. Question. Which stone is used in Raja Rani Temple? Answer. Dull red and yellow sandstone called Raja Rani stone. Question. Where are Barabar Hills located? Answer. Bihar. Question. Who built the Barabar caves? Answer. Emperor Ashoka and his grandson Dasharatha. Question. Which is the oldest surviving rock cut cave in India? Answer. Barabar caves. Question. Barabar caves were used by which sect? Answer. Ajivika sect. Question. Who founded the Ajivika sect? Answer. Makhali Goshala. Question. Name the caves of Barabar Hills. Answer. Karan Chopar, Lomash Rishi, Sudama and Vishwakarma caves. Question. Which cave was used by Buddha for meditation? Answer. Indrasala cave. Question. Ajanta caves are located in which district? Answer. Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Question. Ajanta caves belong to which century? Answer. 2nd century BCE. Question. Ajanta caves were patronized by which dynasty? Answer. Vakataka dynasty. Question. What is fresco painting? Answer. Painting done on wet plaster walls. Question. Udayagiri and Khandgiri caves were used by which monks? Answer. Jain monks. Question. Under which king were Udayagiri and Khandgiri caves developed? Answer. King Kharavela. Question. Ellora caves are located in which range? Answer. Elyadri range, Maharashtra. Question. Which caves at Ellora are Hindu caves? Answer. Cave numbers 13 to 29. Question. What is cave 14 at Ellora called? Answer. Ravana Ki Khai. Question. What is cave 15 at Ellora called? Answer. Dasavatara temple. Question. Bhargavi cave is located in which state? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question. Udayagiri caves with Vishnu's avatars are located where? Answer. Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. Question. Nasik caves are also called what? Answer. Pandavleni caves. Question. Pandavleni caves belong to which religion? Answer. Buddhism. Question. Most caves in India are found in which state? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question. Most monasteries in India are located in which state? Answer. Himachal Pradesh. Question. Which state has the largest monastery in India? Answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Question. Name 2 famous monasteries in Himachal Pradesh. Answer. Dhankar Monastery and Tabo Monastery. Question. Where is the Gomateshwara statue located? Answer. Shravanabelagola, Karnataka. Question. Dilwara temples are located where? Answer. Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Question. Who built the Dilwara temples? Answer. Vimal Shah. Question. Khajuraho temples were built by which dynasty? Answer. Chandela dynasty. Question. Which medium was used in Bhadu sculpture? Answer. Green sandstone. Question. Yaksha and Yakshini figures are seen in which sculptures? Answer. Mauryan and Bhadu sculptures. Question. What is the characteristic of Mauryan sculpture? Answer. Highly polished stone surface. Question. Mathura school of sculpture is related to which religions? Answer. Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. Question. Gandhara school of sculpture is known for what influence? Answer. Greco-Roman influence. Question. Ajanta caves mainly belong to which century? Answer. 2nd century. Question. Mahabalipuram monuments belong to which century? Answer. 7th century. Question. Mahabalipuram is also known by what name? Answer. Mamallapuram. Question. Best early fortifications in India are found at which site? Answer. Sisupalgarh, Orissa. Question. Golpada cave is located in which state? Answer. Assam. I have segregated and corrected the content into numbered question answer format, keeping online answers. Question. Who wrote Kama Sutra? Answer. Vatsyayana. Question. Who wrote Shukraniti Sara? Answer. Shukracharya. Question. Who wrote Arthashastra? Answer. Kautilya, Chanakya. Question. What topics are discussed in Arthashastra? Answer. Administration, politics, economy, diplomacy, marriage, consorts, and divorce. Question. How many types of marriage are mentioned in Arthashastra? Answer. 8 types of marriage. Question. Which is the longest epic poem in the world? Answer. Mahabharat. Question. Who wrote the Odia version of Mahabharat? Answer. Sarala Das. Question. Who wrote the Bengali version of Mahabharat? Answer. Kashiram Das. Question. Who translated Mahabharat into Telugu? Answer. Tikna. Question. Who translated Mahabharat into Kannada? Answer. Pampa. Question. Who wrote Mritshakatika? Answer. Shudraka. Question. Who wrote Mudra Rakshasa? Answer. Vishakhaditta. Question. Who wrote Pancha Siddhantika? Answer. Varamihira. Question. Who wrote Harshacharita? Answer. Banabhatta. Question. Who wrote Ashtadhyayi? Answer. Panini. Question. What is Ashtadhyayi about? Answer. Sanskrit grammar. Question. Which literature is associated with Akam and Puram themes? Answer. Sangam literature. Question. What does Akam mean in Sangam literature? Answer. Inner life or human emotions. Question. What does Puram mean in Sangam literature? Answer. External life and public events. Question. Who wrote the famous medical text Charaka Sanhita? Answer. Charaka. Question. Who wrote the famous surgical text Sushruta Sanhita? Answer. Sushruta. Question. Who wrote the book on pathology Madhavanidana? Answer. Madhavacharya. Question. Who wrote works on astronomy and mathematics in ancient India? Answer. Aryabhat. Question. What is Upabhramsha? Answer. Early form of modern Indian languages. Question. When was the classical language status defined in India? Answer. 2004. Question. Which Indian language was first given classical language status? Answer. Tamil. Question. What is Agrahara? Answer. Land granted to Brahmins. Question. What is Mikra in literature? Answer. Chronicle of dynasty stories. Question. Who wrote Golden Threshold? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. Question. Which other book was written by Sarojini Naidu? Answer. The Broken Wing. Question. Who wrote The Idea of a Nation? Answer. Aruna Asaf Ali. Question. What is Kalamkari? Answer. Hand-painted textile art on cotton fabric. Question. Where is Kalamkari mainly practiced? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. Question. Which dyes are used in Kalamkari painting? Answer. Vegetable dyes. Question. Which tool is used in Kalamkari painting? Answer. Bamboo pen. Question. Bani Tani painting belongs to which school? Answer. Kishangarh School of Rajasthan. Question. Bani Tani painting resembles which legendary character? Answer. Radha. Question. Ajanta and Bagh paintings belong to which period? Answer. Gupta period. Question. Ajanta paintings mainly depict which themes? Answer. Buddha and Jatak tales. Question. Which Bodhisattva painting is famous in Ajanta? Answer. Bodhisattva Padmapani. Question. Sujni embroidery belongs to which state? Answer. Bihar. Question. Jamdani sari is traditionally from which region? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. Question. Chanderi sari belongs to which state? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question. Kanchipuram sari belongs to which state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Question. Putukuli shawl belongs to which state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Question. Who is Amrita Shergill? Answer. An eminent Indian painter known as India's Frida Kahlo. Question. Bharatanatyam dance originated in which state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Question. Is Bharatanatyam a solo or group performance? Answer. Solo performance. Question. Does Bharatanatyam involve spoken dialogues? Answer. No. Question. What are the basic components of Bharatanatyam? Answer. Nritta, Nritya and Natya. Question. How many classical dance forms are recognized in India? Answer 8. Question. Which classical dance originated in Andhra Pradesh? Answer. Kuchipudi. Question. Which classical dance belongs to Kerala? Answer. Mohiniyattam. Question. Which classical dance belongs to Assam? Answer. Satriya. Question. Which classical dance originated in Uttar Pradesh? Answer. Kathak. Question. Kathak dance is traditionally performed with which music? Answer. Drupad music. Question. What are javalis? Answer. Short love lyrics sung in faster tempo. Question. What is Tribhangi posture in dance? Answer. Three bent body posture. Question. What is Chauka posture in Odissi dance? Answer. Square posture symbolizing masculinity. Question. Who introduced Satriya dance? Answer. Srimanta Sankardeva. Question. Name famous Kathak dancer from Uttar Pradesh. Answer. Birju Maharaj. Question. Name famous Bharatanatyam dancer from Tamil Nadu. Answer. Bala Saraswati, Rukmini Devi Arundel. Question. Which folk dance belongs to Gujarat? Answer. Garba. Question. Which folk dances belong to Punjab? Answer. Gidda and Bhangra. Question. Gidda dance is performed by whom? Answer. Women. Question. Dadra dance belongs to which state? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. Question. Kalaripayattu martial art belongs to which state? Answer. Kerala. Question. Which martial art uses a staff and belongs to Tamil Nadu? Answer. Silimbam. Question. What is the basic melodic framework in Indian classical music? Answer. Raga. Question. Indian classical music has which two main traditions? Answer. Hindustani and Carnatic music. Question. Hindustani music belongs to which region? Answer. North India. Question. Carnatic music belongs to which region? Answer. South India. Question. What is Drupad music? Answer. Oldest form of Hindustani classical music with devotional origin. Question. Name the four Drupad gharanas. Answer. Dagar, Darbhanga, Betia and Tilwandi. Question. What is Khayal music? Answer. A style of imaginative classical singing. Question. Who is believed to have popularized Khayal? Answer. Amir Khusro. Question. Name some famous Khayal gharanas. Answer. Gwalior, Kirana, Agra and Patiala. Question. What is Thumri music? Answer. Semi-classical music inspired by Bhakti themes. Question. What is Tarana music? Answer. Fast tempo vocal composition. Question. Which instrument is used in Hindustani music? Answer. Tabla. Question. Which instrument is used in Carnatic music? Answer. Mridangam. Question. What are Ravanadha instruments? Answer. Percussion instruments. Question. What are Sushira instruments? Answer. Wind instruments. Question. What are Ghana instruments? Answer. Solid instruments that do not require tuning. Question. What are Tata instruments? Answer. String instruments. Question. Manganiyas belong to which region? Answer. Marwar in Rajasthan. Question. Manganiyas traditionally sing songs dedicated to which deity? Answer. Krishna. Question. Hirendra Bhattacharya is associated with which art form? Answer. Puppetry. If you want, I can also from the same paragraph. मैंने आपके पैराफा को अलग अलग क्रम में क्वेश्चन आंसर और वन लाइनर्स में व्यक्त किया है. Buddhism question. Gautam Buddha was born in which year and place? Answer. 563 BCE at Lumbini in present day Nepal. Question. Gautam Buddha belonged to which clan? Answer. Shakya clan. Question. Gautam Buddha was contemporary of whom? Answer. Mahavira. Question. At what age did Buddha attain enlightenment? Answer. At the age of 35. Question. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? Answer. Bodh Gaya. Question. Where did Buddha deliver his first sermon? Answer. Sarnath. Question. What is the first sermon of Buddha called? Answer. Dharmachakra Pravartana. Question. Where did Buddha attain Mahaparinirvana? Answer. Kushinagar. Question. When did Buddha die? Answer. 483 BCE. Question. What are the three jewels of Buddhism? Answer. Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Question. What are the four noble truths? Answer. Dukkha, Samudaya, Nirodha, Magga. Question. What is Nirvana in Buddhism? Answer. Extinction of desire and liberation from suffering. Question. Buddhism does not believe in which concept? Answer. Soul, Atman. Buddhist councils question. Where was the first Buddhist council held? Answer. Rajgriha under Ajatashatru. Question. Where was the second Buddhist council held? Answer. Vaishali in 383 BCE. Question. Where was the third Buddhist council held? Answer. Pataliputra under Ashoka. Question. Who presided over the third Buddhist council? Answer. Mogaliputta Tissa. Question. Where was the fourth Buddhist council held? Answer. Kashmir under Kanishka. Question. Which language was used for early Buddhist texts? Answer. Pali. Buddhist sects question. Which Buddhist sect believes Buddha is divine? Answer. Mahayana. Question. Which sect focuses on personal salvation? Answer. Theravada, Hinayana. Question. What is Vajrayana Buddhism? Answer. Tantric form of Buddhism. Question. What is Bodhisattva? Answer. A being who delays salvation to help others. Question. Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva is also called what? Answer. Padmapani. Buddhist mudras question. What does Bhumaspasha mudra represent? Answer. Calling earth to witness enlightenment. Question. What does Varada mudra symbolize? Answer. Charity and compassion. Question. What does Karana mudra symbolize? Answer. Protection from evil. Question. What does Anjali mudra represent? Answer. Greeting or respect. Jainism question. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jainism? Answer. Rishmadev Adinath. Question. Who was the 23rd Tirthankara? Answer. Parshvanatha. Question. Who was the 24th Tirthankara? Answer. Vardhamana Mahavira. Question. Where was Mahavira born? Answer. Vaishali. Question. At what age did Mahavira die? Answer. 72 years. Question. Where did Mahavira attain Nirvana? Answer. Pavapuri. Question. What are the three jewels of Jainism? Answer. Right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. Question. What is the core philosophy of Jainism? Answer. Anekantvad. Question. Name the 5 vows of Jainism. Answer. Non-violence, truth, non-stealing, non-possession, celibacy. Question. Which king patronized Jainism in Kalinga? Answer. King Kharavela. Question. Which Jain sect believes in nudity? Answer. Digambara. Question. Who led Digambara sect to Karnataka? Answer. Bhadrabahu. Question. Which Jain sect allows white clothes? Answer. Shwetimbara. Question. What is Mahamastakabhisheka? Answer. Grand anointing ceremony of Bahubali. Question. How often is Mahamastakabhisheka held? Answer. Once every 12 years. Bhakti movement question. Bhakti movement began in which region? Answer. South India. Question. During which centuries did Bhakti movement flourish in South India? Answer. 7th 12th centuries. Question. What are the two forms of Bhakti? Answer. Nirguna and Saguna. Question. Who composed Bijak? Answer. Kabir. Question. Who founded Pushtimag? Answer. Vallabhacharya. Question. Who believed in Nirguna Bhakti? Answer. Kabir and Guru Nanak. Question. Who was contemporary of Akbar? Answer. Dadu Dayal. Question. Who was the bridge between North and South Bhakti movements? Answer. Ramananda. Sufism question. What is the aim of Sufism? Answer. Purification of inner self. Question. What does fana mean in Sufism? Answer. Union with God. Question. What is Murshid? Answer. Spiritual guide. Question. Chishti silsila originated from where? Answer. Chish town near Herat in Afghanistan. Question. Who was a famous Chishti saint in India? Answer. Nizamuddin Aulia. Question. Who was disciple of Nizamuddin Aulia? Answer. Amir Khusro. Indian philosophy question. Who founded Sankhya philosophy? Answer. Kapila Muni. Question. What is the main idea of Sankhya philosophy? Answer. Dualism and liberation through knowledge. Question. Who founded Nyaya philosophy? Answer. Gautam. Question. What does Minsa emphasize? Answer. Rituals and karma. Question. Who founded Vaisheshika philosophy? Answer. Kannada. Question. Which philosophy supports atomic theory? Answer. Vaisheshika. Question. Vedanta philosophy is based on which texts? Answer. Upanishads and Vedas. Question. Which philosophy is materialistic? Answer. Charvaka. Question. Which school believe everything is controlled by fate niyati? Answer. Ajivika. Calendar's question. When did Vikram Samvat start? Answer. 56 BCE. Question. When did Saka Samvat start? Answer. 78 CE. Question. When did Hijri calendar start? Answer. 622 CE. Question. Gregorian calendar is based on whose birth? Answer. Jesus Christ. Sikhism. Question. Who founded Sikhism? Answer. Guru Nanak. Question. Who founded Khalsa Panth? Answer. Guru Gobind Singh. Question. Who compiled Adi Granth? Answer. Guru Arjan Dev. Question. Who founded Amritsar? Answer. Guru Ramdas. Dance and music. Question. Gangubai Hangal is famous for which music? Answer. Hindustani classical music. Question. Nakal dance belongs to which state? Answer. Bihar. Question. Tamasha dance belongs to which state? Answer. Maharashtra. Question. Enkiya Naat belongs to which state? Answer. Assam. Question. Chapchar Kut festival belongs to which state? Answer. Mizoram. Question. Thanta dance belongs to which state? Answer. Manipur. अगर चाहे तो मैं इसे भी बना सकता हूं आपके पूरे नोट से